How are y'all doing today? My name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City, and we are going to take a look at this new 2020 Nauticstar. It is the 2602 Legacy. This boat is powered with the Yamaha Twin 150s, and we custom ordered this one with the beautiful full hull color. It's the seafoam green. I love that upgrade, and matching underneath the hardtop here. A nice feature of the 2602 Legacy is the through-hull windlass anchor you will see up there as well. Alright, one unique feature of the 2602 Legacy by Nauticstar is this full bench seat here for the family. You got some nice storage underneath. This beautiful leaning post here with live well, freshwater washdown shower, bolster pad on the sides here, and then in my opinion one of the nicest home seats in the business. You get great visibility. These are really high, so you sit up, you got great clearance here. Nice handrails. The black acrylic dash, and this one already has the 12-inch Simrad. Alright, one last benefit and feature of the 2602 Legacy is this beautiful bow. Great seating area with backrest, doubles as fish boxes, and then you've got the casting deck insert here. Very comfortable for the family. Great place to ride. Alright, thank you for watching the walkthrough video on the Nauticstar 2602 Legacy. Remember, this is a 2020, it just came in. So come by and see us here at MarineMax Panama City. Thank you.